Today on the Roy Garage, we prime this engine full of oil. First things first, we're going to get our oil filter installed. Next, we're going to remove this so we can install our adapter to start pumping this engine full of oil. This is the first adapter. The link for this is in the description below. Seems pretty good. This is 1/8 MPT to 1/8 MP or a 1/4 inch hose barb. All right, now let's get our sprayer set up. First, we want to remove this sprayer tip on here. Oh, that's how you do it right there, folks. Oh, yeah. Next, we're going to slide on this. Put this on the tip there. Sneak that on there. Cut the other end so it's a little bit shorter. We didn't need all that hose. Slide it on your hose barb. Suppose we should maybe fill this with oil, huh? Probably be a decent idea. How many quarts does it take? I heard about 1.5 quarts. Yeah, don't get this confused with what you spray on your lawn. And before we get too far, we're going to go ahead and take the valve covers off of our engine so we can tell once oil is fully purged through the system and coming out push rods. That was on there, bud. Leaking. Next, we're going to start pumping our oil into our engine. While we're doing that, we're going to go ahead and turn our crankshaft just to ensure we're getting the whole engine full of oil. Now, it is going to take a while for it to get started because we do have to fill our oil filter up. That's the first thing that's going to get filled up. As we're doing this, we're going to be looking at the tip of our push rods to see if oil is flowing out the tip of them. Once it's flowing out of every single one on both sides, we know we're good to go. Oh, we're getting oil. Ooh. Uh-oh. Jeez, did I? Oh! Well, well, well. Looks like we have an issue here.
If you've added any fittings or oil supply lines to a turbo, be sure you tighten them down before filling your engine with oil.
If you're not screwing up, you're not doing something. If you're not doing something, you're not learning. Somebody told me that one time. I think they were talking about something different though. Just double check we're good up here, huh? That seems pretty good. Now, I don't know what to do about this one, Lee.
We can't fit a wrench in here. Does anybody have any idea on what we can do to make sure we get these fittings tightened? Let us know in the comments below.
It's a jug, Jake. Oh, it's a jug, Jake. It's a jug, Jake. We'll see if that's enough, huh? We know what we're doing, I swear. Hey, we're back in action. All right, I better, oh, we got some coming out of the over here too.
Here you can see we're turning the crankshaft to ensure we get oil primed through the entire engine.
It's still flowing in pretty good. Oh, it's starting to come out of this one. Look at that. That's super cool. Heck yeah, it's coming on both those right there.
Oh yeah.
I probably don't know if I need to put that much in. Holy mess.
Oh, it's going.
All right, we got it. Heck yeah.
It's coming out.
Sweet. So we're good on all of those over there. Oh, and we're getting some out of that one over there too. Okay,
Yeah, it
so
looks like all of them.
we just have two.
Maybe that front one.
The front one and then the one more.
Oh yeah.
Tell you what, talk about a pain in the butt.
Oh. There it comes.
Hey, hey,
There
sweet.
it comes. Look at that.
Sweet deal.
Oh, there it is.
No way.
Yep. There it comes.
Heck yeah. Sure enough, as soon as I load our sprayer up with all of the engine oil that we have, it comes out. Sweet deal.
Look at all that oil.
This engine is going in our cab swap project, which is a 48 Dodge grain truck cab on a 2002 Dodge Ram 1500. If you want to see more of that content, click the link in the upper right.
Hey, that wasn't terrible.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. And there you have it. Thanks for watching this week's episode of the Roy Garage. If you've made it this far, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on next week's video. That won't make the final cut, right?
No.